Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's do some more work from last week, which is a post analysis. Last week I was looking at I took sell one big position entry here. Stop loss was wide here, and I was anticipating the TP to be somewhere here. Then I entered another position somewhere around here. Stop loss here. TP will be somewhere around here. Okay. But don't forget that this was on Friday, and leaving trades over the weekend is something that is a new arena. Okay, trades throughout a week, beautiful, but going from one week to another week, we are still doing some gauging. How would I put it? Gauging the probability of having more positive turnout compared to the opposite side. So the sell played out to this first to this support, second of all this support. So whatever we see here right now is what I call the market open doing its own, doing what it knows how to do best, which is create a top week for the week before turning bearish or down if it wants to continue down. Because as you can see, which is very obvious, this bullish candle has not created a bottom wick yet. The subsequent one had not created or hasn't created this current wick. This current candle has not created a bottom wick yet. So let's see what will happen. With that being said, for gold, British pound, Japanese yen, I'm just waiting to see what will happen. For today, I'm just gonna chill. Let me see if this will continue down because I still have open positions to see what will occur. The inner position has not even hit TP, then the outer position has not even hit TP. Both of them are still open. So let's see what this week is going to give us, especially today. So I'm just on British pound, Japanese yen. I'm going to chill for today. No prospect yet until one either my TPs are hit or there is a change in the market structure. So this is one thing I'm looking at the moment on British pound, Japanese yen. The next thing on my watch list is gold. Now gold has been playing beautifully, like really sweet. This is the kind of trade that I like to be in. Okay. Um, the price turned around this light zone, which is the light supply zone. I was anticipating price to come at least to this point before dropping, but this is the market. Okay, you have to plan for the things you anticipate and the things you do not anticipate or you did not anticipate. So either one, we know that okay, we will not be on the negative side or the wrong side of history. Um, Looking at this, technically price is supposed to be dipping. Okay, technically price is supposed to be dipping. So I'm not looking for any for the week. I'm not looking for any buys. So what I'm going to look for, this current bearish candle has created a top wick. So let's see if this is going to be the biggest top wick for the week. Don't forget that last week candle that closed bearish did not even have any top wick. It's just a very tiny nipple. Okay, not really a top wick. Look at it. It closed very strong. So I'm expecting today's candle to continue this week's candle, as in this week, for the bearish momentum to continue at least to this point here, which is this level 107 1707.460. So this is what I'm expecting. On the daily, we just have to go to the lower time frame to see where we can get our entry. So this particular trade setup is weekly, daily. Okay, weekly, daily. So I'm not trying to get any sales yet. Neither am I looking to get any buys yet. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, we are still low. Okay, the price has not created any major support yet for price to break it and continue bearish. So I'm not rushing to take any buys. I'm not rushing to take any sells. I'm just going to let price do what it knows how to do best. This is old, so I can remove this as well. Okay. So for today, I'm just going to chill on gold. Not that chill the whole time. At the moment, there is nothing. I can see nothing to trade here. Nothing. And I don't want to enter the trade using 1 hour time frame. It's not that the 1 hour time frame is bad. The trade now is on weekly daily. Entering it on the 1 hour would would be me buying when price is low. So I want to see some form of retracement before continuing the bearish momentum. If you don't understand this, just DM me or send me a message that you want to understand what I mean by weekly daily setup. Then we'll see what we'll do about that. Okay, that is for gold. The last but not the least is Bitcoin. Bitcoin had was just massively just superfluously beautiful. What I'm trying to say is this. Um, Based on what we were looking at, if you remember, that two scenarios, deeper retracement for further dipping, at least to retest this low, or for price to break this golden level. And as soon as price broke the golden level, there was nothing else holding this support. It was just going to drop like a hot knife. And I don't mean kitchen knife, I mean that kind of samurai knife. It dropped very hard. So, what I'm looking at on Bitcoin right now, not much, not for buys. Okay, I'm not looking to get buys, I'm not looking to get sales at the moment. So I'm just going to wait for a very clear setup. What I have here right now, Bitcoin, I'm on a daily 4 hour trade setup. Okay, daily 4 hour. What it means is that on the 4 hours, I can see some. Let me make it very simple, very, very simple. I can see a setup here using the MentFS approach because I discovered that it is easier to put it in that kind of concept. Okay, the horizontal box, which is the demand, the vertical box, which is impulsive leg, and the third box, which is the critical point where will tell us where to put, in this case, a buy limit in order for price to continue upwards. Okay, I just want to use this approach because I think it is easier. Even a baby could understand this kind of setup. But if I want to put it in a form that is for those who want to make it complex, I'll be looking for buys because we're in demand buyers territory on this 4 hour time frame. Overall, we're in sellers territory. However, in this counter trend, we're in buyers territory. So we want some retracement and for price to continue bullish. Okay, so I'm looking for more buys if we get a bullish breach here, or more sells if we come below here. So this is just what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Buys, if this price comes above this zone. Okay, if price comes above this zone, I'll be looking to take more buys. If price breaks this support, this bottom wick, which means it has come below this support, I'll be looking to take more sales going down. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a button here. hit that notification button, which is in the shape of a bell. When you hit it, click the all option so that you will see everything I post. Okay, and don't forget, there's no need, we don't go into too much talk, we go straight to the point. Then comment and like. Baraka Bashad.